Minister of Justice Zjyambi Ziyambi has threatened to cut allowances of CCC members of parliament due to the fact that they were not present during the State of the Nation address by President Emerson Mnangagwa. He says it is business as usual. The fact that they did not show up does not affect them in any way. So he has been given the task, yekuti they revise their allowances vagokatirwa nyaya yacho. So guys, these guys are actually saying they are public servants. They do not care at all kuti their allowances are cut. Chavo kumeka sure kuti the citizens get what they want. Who is actually advising them to boycott? Why can't they go? Vobva vanoita just like Julius Malema and the other party members. Make your voice heard. At least hear what the president has to say. Instead of staying at home, it does not help in any way. Okay. Then Nelson Chamisa also took to social media and did what he does best. These days, vanongonyora mukuru that evil flawed elections and disputed national processes produce flawed outcomes and disputed leaders. To resolve all this, there must be a political settlement to return Zimbabwe to majority rule. The struggle for real change, justice and freedom takes a new twist. Zimbabwe shall be free. The people shall govern. So vataura zvakare vakati seizvo zviya zvavanotudza God is in it ndizvozvo ndo plan iripo so far. We'll keep you updated on what is happening.